So the GO2 People was founded in 2011 and we're a leading provider of labour hire and building services to the construction industry. We're currently in WA and Queensland with 5 office locations. This year we'll employ over 2,000 people, and in 2016 we had revenues over $38 million. The labour hire side of our business, we predominantly provide blue collar trades and labour to construction and mining infrastructure projects. And the building side of our business is centred around rapid building methodology. That's off-site construction, prefabrication, in the residential sectors for affordable housing and over 55s. So we've got a diversified offering, and that's aligned to our skill set with our management team. And we like to focus on the relationships and the solutions rather than just the transaction. And given that we have the experience in the construction industry, particularly for our labour hire clients, we think that that offers them a better service. So on the labour hire side, we're clearly about putting the right people with the right opportunities, allowing the flexibility for our clients to be able to adjust their manning levels to suit project requirements. And from the building point of view, we're right into innovation and building faster, quality homes that are built with off-site construction and prefabrication. So both the labour hire market and the construction industry market, they're both huge markets. The labour hire industry is about $19 billion a year and growing. The construction industry in Australia is huge, it's $44 billion and growing. And we only really want a really small piece of that. And it's a very competitive market, but we think that our strategic plan and our methodology to date has been vindicated by our growth and our success. So we're really looking forward to taking our piece of that market. So the best thing about growing is the ability to put in extra resources around us. And so we're excited now, we've got a formal board structure, and that's led by Darren Cooper. He's our chairman, and he has a wealth of experience, both ASX and private enterprise. He's a former president and life member of the Urban Development Institute of Australia. He's joined on the board by non-executive director Doug Brewer, who has also a lot of experience in ASX listed companies, particularly in the civil construction and mining sectors. We've also got joint company secretaries, Peter Torre and Matthew Thompson. Matt Thompson, he's our CFO, recently appointed, and that's been great to internalise that function. And then in terms of senior executive, we've got co-founder Paul Goldfinch, he's in charge of investor relations and growth. We've got the head of building and head of recruitment, both who are former clients of ours. Ross Lovell's our head of recruitment. Chris Street is our head of building, and then I'm the managing director. So there are 2 key areas that we look to use the funds raised through the IPO. One is working capital and the other is geographical growth. So working capital, it's been the single biggest impediment to our growth organically to date. We've managed to grow, but we've had to do that off the back of external funding for our working capital. So raising this money will help alleviate that strain. And from a geographical point of view, we need to get into the markets that we're not currently in Australia. So we have national agreements with national providers. We provide labour to them in WA and Queensland, but we need to move into New South Wales and Victoria to take up opportunities there. And then we'll also look to expand into New Zealand through our networks.